Abaholi bekhosathu behlasela umnyango wezezimali kuleli ngaphambi kokuba ungqongqoshe wezezimali uEnoch Godongwana ethule umhlahlandlela wesabelozimali weminyaka emithathu ezayo ePhalamende ngasekupheleni kwalenyanga.
If there is no change in the country economic policy direction, the already low standard of living of working people will deteriorate significantly. More livelihood will be destroyed by the resultant deepening turmoil.
Ikhosathu ithi izoba nemibhikisho ezingxenyeni ezihlukene zezwe ngolwesine, kodwa ithi uquqaba kumele lihlale emakhaya lengayi kwimibhikisho ngenxa yemthetho elawula ukuhlangana kwabantu ngaphansi kwesimo sokhuvethe esiphila ngaphansi kwaso.
Because of COVID-19, we are encouraging workers to decide whether they will be joining the action with the restriction that we have. As we know, we allow only to have about 2,000 people per gathering, but calling others to stay away as a protest action.
Eminye imifelandawonye yabasebenzi okuyiSAFTU, iFEDUSA neNACTU ayimenywanga ukuthi ibambe iqhaza kulonyaka. Ikhosathu ithi iyasesekela ngokugcwele isiteleka senyunyana iNUMSA kwimboni ekhiqiza insimbi esiqale namuhla. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.